Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Gladish from Clyde Park Chiropractic, and today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the lumbar spine and show you how it's supposed to function and show you what chiropractic can do to help it. Now, this is a plastic model of a lumbar spine. Front, side, back. These are the bumps that you feel when you're feeling your back. This is the part you're feeling. Each one of these big blocks are the bones, clear spaces are the disc, yellow things are those are the nerves. When you look at your spine from the front, you want it to be straight. When you look at it from the side, you want a nice 30 to 40 degree curve. We call that the lordotic curve. Now, what happens when a lot of people, when they're having low back pain, will find that they come in and their spine is bent. What's happening is the holes the nerves come out of get smaller and puts pressure on the nerve. The other thing that happens is when your spine is bent to the side, your disc is just like a jelly donut. So it's going to squish out and put pressure on the other side. That's why sometimes you can feel it on both sides. Now, what chiropractic does is we take the vertebrae and we move them ever so slightly. That's going to take the misposition and the subluxation out of the spine. The subluxation is just the malpositioning of a vertebrae. The other thing that we'll do is if you have corrective care, we're going to get your spine as close to normal as your body's going to let us get you to, which will allow us to actually correct the problem and make sure that it doesn't get worse.